everyone is like happy and healthy right now, staying home and staying safe. During the quarantine, one of the things that gets me most excited, more than the usual, is getting a new package. So I wanted to share like an unboxing with you guys. As you can see, I am outside in our backyard, you know, just to like kind of change the scenario a little bit. And I just got this package, which is pretty huge, and I'm very excited, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So let's get to unboxing this thing. Okay guys, so this package is actually from SokoGlam. It's a website I recommend to absolutely anyone and everyone. These are products already curated by Charlotte Show, which is, you know, like the queen of skincare. And by the way, I am outside, so you might hear some like cars passing by. My backyard is like right next to a road, so I'll try to keep the noise to a minimum, but yeah, it's gonna happen. So here's my receipt, whatever. I am really excited because when I ordered this, they're giving as a gift a huge like product they're selling. And when I say products, actually a bundle. When 2019 ended, they actually did like a bundle pack, kind of like starter kit thing that has some of like the best of 2019 from their creations. So I bought a bunch of products. To be precise, I spent like $200 and something, but when you actually make the purchase in SokoGlam, that is over $115, and I think that's like still happening. You actually get this bag and everything in it, and this was a gift. Okay, just keep that in mind. It's absurd. It's like the biggest gift I've ever like seen anyone give, you know, from like doing a purchase of $115 or more. So let me see, what did I buy? In this order, I got the Red Energy Recovery Serum, the BioPeel God's Peeling Green Tea, Pure Pearlization Divine Pearl Cleansing Oil from Klabu, Best of K-Beauty Starter Set gift with purchase, which is this super cute bag with everything in it. Besides that, I bought a UV Cut SPF 50 Natural Sun Cushion, the Egg White Perfect Pore Cleansing Oil from Skin Food. This is Hand Skin Pore Cleansing Oil, and Soothing Tea Cleansing Gel from Then I Met You. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys everything, but I'm actually gonna start showing you the free gift because this is like amazing. Okay, so we have here the Best of K-Beauty Starter Set gift if you make purchases in SokoGlam that are $115 or over. So you get the bag, super cute, and all these products are a gift. Keep in mind, some of these products are actually full size. It's like, wow. The products that are not full size are actually like the big travel size, or like the premium travel size, which is actually really good and really awesome. So starting off, the first one I took out is the Benton Aloe BHA Skin Toner. So right here we have like a premium travel size toner. Okay, so next up I have a full-size product. This is Soft Coconut Oil Cleansing Pads. Yeah. This is really interesting because this is actually like oil cleansing pads, like pads pre-soaked in oil, I think. That's what they look like. Those are all the pads. So I'm really curious about this because when I made this purchase, one of the things I was looking for were like cleansing, like oil cleansers. So yeah. Okay guys, next up is another full-size product. This is the AC Well Licorice pH Balancing Essence Mist. Then we have Collagen 80 Intensive Eye Cream by Alencilia CPP. Okay, this is pretty much eye cream, and I always like to emphasize any gift sets or free eye products. Eye creams tend to be like really expensive. You have a free gift, full-size one here. So yeah. Afterwards, I have one of my favorite products like ever. It's like a little staple. One of the things that makes me the happiest about like skincare is the Cosrx Acne Pimple Mask master patches, which I had just ran out of, and this is in the free gift, so awesome. Here we have another full-size product, which is the Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. These are one of the products I'm always repurchasing. I have one right now, and now I have this one extra for later on. I think in some of my past videos or at some point I've showed this product before already. One of those products that if you've never used skincare, or even if you have, you really notice a difference, and it's like so gentle. After that, I'm excited about a sheet mask because staying in 24/7, I've been really into sheet masking me for a bit, and here we have a MediHeal. This is the Intense Hydrating Mask. And the 3 products that I have left are like premium travel size. Here we have the Pore Cleansing Oil PHA Balancing and Mild from Handskin. This is a cleansing oil. Right afterwards, I have the Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam cleanser. This is like a 2-in-1, and I love this type of product, and I actually was looking for the full size of this, but it was like sold out, so I'm keeping my eye on it, but I'm really happy I got like this little tester. Okay, and last but not least, we have a product I've been curious about, and I'm glad I have the tester because now I get to see if I like it or not, honestly. This is Neogen Real Vitamin C Power Lemon. This is pretty much vitamin C in powder form, and you dissolve it in water and then you apply it, so it's like a very physical and very pure form of like vitamin C. And pretty much all of those products in the bag were like a gift with purchase. Amazing. Now on to the actual unboxing of the products I did buy in SokoGlam. We're starting off with the Neogen Gauze Peeling in green tea. This is a chemical exfoliator, which I love and I'm always repurchasing. This one's actually for mom. She wanted to try them. I usually get mine in lemon, but the green tea is good for like anti-aging, so we got this for her. These are pretty much just pre-soaked gauzes. Next up, we have this guy right here. This is the Handskin Pore Cleansing Oil, PHA Balancing and Mild, which I bought in full size, but as well as you could see, I got like a small tester. This is the full size. I read amazing reviews about him and I wanted to try it out. My next product is actually another cleansing oil because I kind of really got into trying different ones to find my one true loves. This is the Klavu Pure Pearlization Divine Pearl Cleansing Oil, which as well I got a tester for, but here is the full size. This is the full size bottle. Next up, I got a serum. This is the Mamonde Red Energy Recovery Serum, Blossoming Energy. So I've actually kind of stayed away from buying a lot of serums because I want to be really precise and kind of like get to know my skin better before I go into serums like very deeply. And looking for one, this guy spoke out to me. It promotes healthier, smoother, and firmer skin in a matter of days, so we will see. I'm excited about that. Next up, I have a Skin Food Oil Cleanser. Skin Food is one of the first skincare brands I was introduced to, and I've loved them ever since. This is the Egg White Perfect Pore Cleansing Oil. It's for pore control. It's supposed to help minimize the appearance of pores, and I've used other of their products from the Egg White line, and I love it. So yeah, this is the guy. Next up, we have the Then I Met You Soothing Tea Cleansing Gel. Okay, this is a cleanser. This is actually my first repurchase of this product. I bought this product originally when it launched, and I'm running out. So here's my first repurchase. Super happy about the Then I Met You line and totally supporting them. Okay, so right now my nails are like matching and I love it. Final product we have here, a sun cushion, which is a product I wanted to try for like the longest time. The thing about sun cushions is that they are not makeup, they are just like sunblock, another and easier way of applying sunblock, which is like so important. This is the AC Well UV Cut SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. Those are like 4 pluses, a lot of protection. It's huge. First thing I'm noticing, it's huge. This box is huge. Wow, look at this. Like, holy, the cushion is huge. It's like a whole cheek. So I mean, clearly this takes into account, this is like another one. He already brings one. It's like the cushion. For those of you who don't know, usually Korean cushions always have, even if they're foundation or BB cream, they always have some protection, but this is literally just some protection. So I'm really excited to see how this looks on my skin, and you know, just have another way I can carry around to always keep the protection going. And that is literally everything I got from them. If you're interested in buying any products, just know that in SokoGlam right now, buy $115 or more and you get all of this as a free gift with purchase. I have no regrets. I am so happy right now to try everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and if you want to know every review or how any of these products are like performing, let me know. Shout out, take care, stay home, stay healthy, stay safe.